Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Walmart bag. Let's see what I got. Hold on a second, it's stuck. There we go. Lankybox, lankybot, Mystery RC. Try me. One set, 3 plushies from Bonker's bag. Look what's inside. Get 1 lankybot mystery RC. Get 2 mystery figures. Get 1 mystery micro figures. Let's open it up. And because the box is big, we have to open from the bottom. Or right here. So there's no instructions. Either why it is. We need to get some scissors.
لك الباك بتاعي ريسي.
It's hard to imagine when I unbox these toys. Come on. You look sharp. You look strong enough. Here's LankyBot with his remote control. Here's remote control. We need batteries. Well, come on. Why is it strong enough? We need a better one. So why can I not do it with these videos? So I have to get a new one. No, I'm not getting a new one. I have to get another one. So let's see. Oh, it's locked. Hey! I need to get another screwdriver.
Okay, I'm coming to help you.
Ask nicely.
Which one do you need?
The small one.
The smaller one? Okay, let's see if we can find it.
Let's see if I'm pausing the video.
How about this right here? Too? Try this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
You know I'm doing this right if I'm doing the video. Oh, it still have batteries in there. So I'm not gonna use these.
Is this a new one?
Same thing with LankyBot. This one still has batteries in there. Let's see if it still works. Wow, he's still moving. He's a cute robot.
Two pans.
What else can it do? I want to do some thingy thing. What do you know about these toys? I know I like it so much than us. If I really like this LankyBot RC, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I never talk about how these toys do. It rolls along and they teach about stuff, but it never stopped me to do this. What else is inside? Tapes. Oh, there is instructions. Sorry about that. Please keep outer packaging and instructions if included for future reference as they may contain important informations. A shark! How cool is that? He's wearing his glasses. I don't know what that is. A ghost? Kind of? Let's see what the last one it is. It's a TV one. I mean, it's a boxy one. I thought it was a TV one, but it's a boxy one. Sorry about that. So yeah, I like this toy if you know what you are talk about it. Now there's many more of it. What do you ever talk about this toy if I know it? There are many more to collect. Now, inside of his head, there are mysteries inside, which is figures. There are lots of it, but the remote control can do this. So by the way, it has antennas. That's what it is. That's what he looks like when he do that. Thanks so much for watching the LankyBot. Thanks so much for watching the LankyBox, LankyBot, Mystery RC remote control. Bye.